Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the president and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 7 of our 7-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask Android. In this section, I will demonstrate managing a task. Managing projects and jobs is nearly identical, but more limited, so I'll leave that up to you as an exercise. If you prefer to read this, I'll post a URL at the end of this video that you may download a PDF version of the guide. So let's get started. Starting from the home screen, open the navigation drawer and select the task menu option. This brings up the task menu options. Select the task dashboard. On this screen, click Manage Task. This will bring up a screen with a list of active incomplete tasks. I will click the single task listed. Looking down the screen, you see that you can enter a completion date. Tasks are the only place you can enter a completion date. Completion dates for jobs and projects are computed from completing tasks. Looking down a little further, you also see that you can add notes. In MyIntelliTask, you can add notes at the task, job, and project levels. Each task, job, and project has its own notes separate from the other resources. In addition, notes are searchable so you can quickly find a particular note by a phrase or keyword. In addition to notes, there are accompanying files. This is where you can download shared file resources to your phone. The rest of the fields give information on the status of the task. I have taken the time to enter an example job and project. If I click the back button 3 times, then click the navigation drawer icon, select Jobs, select the job dashboard, then Manage Active Jobs. Finally, select the job. Most of the fields in jobs and project are informational only with the exception of notes because tasks are the basic building block of the entire MyIntelliTask system. Looking down the screen, you can notice a spot for assigned tasks, and if I click on it, it brings up a list of tasks that need to be completed in order to complete the job. If I click on the task, it brings up the same screen as if you started from the task dashboard. In MyIntelliTask, there are multiple pathways to get the resource information, such as this, for example. If I go back to the job, notice that you cannot enter a completion date for this job. How jobs and projects are considered complete is simple. The greatest sub-resource completion date sets the completion for the resource above it automatically. In addition, as tasks, jobs, and projects get completed, an email notification goes out to the resource manager notifying he or she of the completed status. Now on to projects. If I click the back button 3 times, then click the navigation drawer button and select the project's menu option. Then I click on the project dashboard. Then click on active projects. And finally click on the project I created. You can see that projects is basically the same as jobs, with the exception being that jobs are attached to projects and tasks are attached to jobs, and you can maneuver from project all the way to the tasks that make it up. And with that, we end our 7-part series for getting up and running quickly with MyIntelliTask Android. Thank you for watching part 7 of our series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask Android. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions how we can improve our software, please email me at the address listed at the end of the video. I truly appreciate you giving me the time to demonstrate my IntelliTask. Take care and have a great day.